How to export 4K quality video in Premiere Pro. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open Premiere Pro application. At the top left corner when you go to save the file, from that menu again go to new sequence from clip. Once you do, there you will see the option of export. Simply click on it. Beside export, you will see another menu. From that, choose the option of media. Now in the final exporting page, you simply need to choose the option of export video and export audio in 4K export setting.mp4. Now once you toggle on this feature, you will be able to download video in 4K quality. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.